If you're just joining us here on Kababyan today, we are taking your calls live on the show. Kasama po natin si Aquino and Lo, ang ating immigration specialists. They are attorneys to answer all your questions. We have on the phone with us si Martha. Martha. Oh, I'm sorry, rather, Priscilla. Priscilla, are you there?
Yeah.
Hello, Priscilla. Kamusta po kayo?
Mabuti naman.
Ano po yung tanong ninyo para sa ating immigration attorneys?
Yeah, I'm here.
Ano pong tanong ninyo?
Ang tanong ko, ano ang magiging sitwasyon namin? Yeah, ano ang magiging sitwasyon namin? Kasi wala kaming... ang tanong ko, ano ang magiging sitwasyon namin? Kasi wala kaming papel. Sa mga walang papel. Kasi walang petition sa amin, kumaga wala atin, wala. Kasi maasa lang kami doon kay Obama. Anong magiging sitwasyon namin?
So they're basically asking what other options they have because they are really just hoping that they are going to be qualified in Obama's extended program. And so right now they have no paperwork whatsoever.
Yeah, it's a difficult situation. It's a situation that many people find themselves in. It's a reason why the Obama administration wanted to move forward with executive action to try to help people in this very situation. There usually isn't a lot that you can do unless you've had, like as the previous caller had, a petition filed prior to April 30th, 2001. If you have perhaps a family member who can petition for you or some other ways. Most people are stuck in this problem of not having a way to move forward, not being able to get work authorization, driver's licenses, do all the things that they need to do in order to sustain themselves. So it is a big issue. I don't know that outside of the DAPA program, outside of that administrative action, that we're going to see any real changes in immigration law in this, certainly not in this Congress before 2016.
Allison, what can you say?
And actually that's a very good point, just like the caller indicates. Sometimes the hardest thing to tell a client is you don't have any relief. And a lot of the times clients just don't like to hear that. But when you don't have any relief, the last thing that you should be doing is seeking out attorney after attorney, because unfortunately some attorney might give you hope that isn't necessarily there. And sometimes the best answer is just hearing the truth, that unfortunately there isn't anything that you can do at this point in time. And just like Richard was indicating, based on what we're seeing politically today, it doesn't seem as if there's going to be much progress as far as finding a comprehensive immigration reform. So unless they are covered under the recent executive actions, they might not have anything that they can do.
Okay, we have Cecilia on the line. Magandang hapon po sa inyo.
Magandang hapon ho.
Ano pong tanong ninyo?
Yung anak ko ho ay pinetition kami noong 1976, pero nag-over 21 na siya. Hindi ho siya nakasama sa amin. Pinetition ko uli siya nitong 2005 as a citizen ako ng pwede ba siya sa yung grandfather's visa na yung current date na petition kami noong brother to brother noong 1976? Ano ang pwede namin gawin ngayon?
And actually, so this was a common question that was answered by the Supreme Court last year as to whether you can transfer a petition back from 1976, like by the grandfather, over to a new petition that she filed on behalf of her son. And the Supreme Court decision issued just last year, unfortunately, confirms that you cannot make such a transfer between the priority dates. But she did, fortunately, indicate that she did file another petition for her child in 2005. And right now, the priority dates are current for 2005 if you're a U.S. citizen petitioning a child who is over 21 years old. Right now, they're processing 2005. If you're just a green card holder, they're only on 2004. So the good part is, while you can't transfer that priority date, it looks like your son will be eligible to move forward with the green card application very soon, if not already.
All right. Okay, we have Lita on the phone. Lita?
Yes, good afternoon. I have a question.
Apo?
I want to bring my mom and my dad here, but the thing is I have a minor sister. She's only 16. Can they bring along my minor sister?
Yeah, if you're a U.S. citizen and you're petitioning your parents, There is no derivative beneficiaries on immediate relatives. So you could not the sister cannot ride with the parent. So it's each individual has their own petition and their immediate relatives, because that's the category. So what would have to happen is either you'd petition directly for the sister as a sister petition, which we know takes a long time, or the parents come in and then they turn around and petition for the daughter. And that shouldn't take too long, because that's really probably probably the whole process takes about 2 years. So there will be a time period where there will be some separation, but there is a way to do that. But no, they cannot bring the child with them on that petition.
Okay, but
Right.
if the sister was on a tourist visa, would that be possible for her to accompany her parents?
It would be possible to accompany, but the child will become out of status at that point in time.
That's right.
So we definitely don't advise that, because if the child overstays, there will, under the current law, be no way to legalize the status of that child. And so we do have this situation quite common with many of our clients. And a strategy that might need to be taken is to petition one parent only. Bring one parent over, get the green card, have that parent go ahead and petition for the child. As Richard indicated, the waiting list right now is only a year and a half. And so perhaps you might be separated from your spouse for a year and a half, but at least you do go ahead and keep the family together in that sense.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Aquino and Lo, of course, for all your advice. Please call us at 1-800-553-5724 for all your immigration questions. We'll be right back on Kababyan Today.